Hello, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm packing for mine and my baby's hospital bags. Now, before I get started, I just want to put it out there, I am a first-time mum, so I'm not an expert on what to take to hospital, what you're going to need in labor and all of that. I just love watching these videos, so thought I would make my own. So yes, without further ado, I'm gonna set you guys up and you can watch me pack. Okay, so starting with my stuff. Yes, this is a big ass suitcase. I tried to fit everything in a small like carry-on suitcase, but it just did not fit at all. So this is what we're going with. Alright, so starting with this side. First thing going in is my dressing gown. Don't at me for how it's getting packed because I can't fit it rolled or folded properly. Next is going to be some comfy pajamas with buttons for easy boob access. Next is going to be just a comfy like lounge pants and oversized tee. And then going home tracksuit. And then I'm planning on having a water birth, so just unpacking a bikini and like a oversized tee to give birth in, if I even get around to putting these on. I don't know, but they're going in there. And then some comfy thick slipper socks. I've heard it gets like really cold in the hospital, so plus it's winter, so I just want to be like extra warm and cozy. Then I have a like a nursing maternity singlet, a maternity bra, and some like full brief undies. What else for this side? I think that's it for this side. I'm going to be wearing my slides there as well, so I don't need to put those in. But yeah, I think that's it for this side. So, moving on. Okay, on this side, I've got some sexy disposable underwear. It's open because I wanted to have a look what they look like. Some thick maternity pads. And then this is my like toiletries bag. So I've just got some dry shampoo because I don't want to wash my hair at the hospital, and if I really have to, if I get like spew in it or something, I can get someone to bring me some because we don't live far from the hospital. And then some body wash in a travel bottle, deodorant, a mini cleanser, lip balm, some brows and highlighter, just I don't know, just in case. I will have my lashes done as well, that's why I have mascara in here. Some scrunchies and hair ties, moisturizer, hand cream, and a travel like toothbrush and toothpaste box. I just have to put them in there. But that's that one. I have a loofah in here. This little pack's just got some breast pads and some nipple cream. Peri bottle, which I've heard is just like a must-have for after birth. And I also have this Clary Sage roller. One of my friends got me this, and this birthing comb. They're supposed to help with like, well, this is supposed to be like soothing, relaxing oil, and then this is supposed to, you like grip it with your hand like she's doing in the picture there. And it's supposed to, yeah, help with the pain in labor. So I'll give those a go. What else? I have this little folder here for my birth plan, and my hospital antenatal card, and just some ID. And then I'm sure they'll give me like some paperwork when I'm at the hospital and stuff, so that can all go in there. And I have this like mishki bag just for some like dirty or wet clothes, just in case, to put those in. So that's going there. And then I've got to add in my, what is it? My big drink bottle is a must-have, I've heard, and snacks. I've got to get some snacks to put in here. And my phone charger, my tripod, my speaker has to go in. What else? Oh, my hairbrush. So I've got to add that in. I think that is it. Yeah. So I'm leaving room for those. But other than that, that is what's going in my bag to take to hospital. So this is my baby bag. I'm absolutely obsessed. It's from the Nappy Bag Store Australia. And I absolutely love it. It's got so much room in here. I'll just quickly show you before I start packing. So it's got 3 pockets on each side, and these 2 are insulated, so awesome. You can put like bottles in there. It's got a big zip pocket there, and yeah, just heaps of room. It also comes with a changing mat that I took out. I just need to put back in, and this little like travel pocket thingy. I'm not actually too sure what goes in here, but I'm sure I'll make use of it. And then yeah, it's just like so spacious. I absolutely love it. And then it's got the side pockets, and it also has a shoulder strap, which is detachable. So yeah, I was deciding between this one and then the same bag in grey, but I had to go with the black. And yeah, it was actually bought for me from my cousin Miriama, so thanks again Miris for the bag. And yeah, so this is what I'll be putting all baby stuff in to take to hospital. Okay, so first things going in are his little outfit packs. So I put together outfits in some like sandwich bags. And I've labeled them. So I've got an outfit in 5 zeros and an outfit in 3 zeros, just in case he, you know, we don't know what size he's going to be. And then I've got a going home outfit and just a backup like tracksuit and bodysuit in there for him. So each outfit pack has got a zip suit, a bodysuit, not a dummy, a bib, and some mittens and socks. So yeah, so those are going in first. Next thing is his announcement outfit with his rep and plaque in there for his birth announcement. And then I've got 10 newborn nappies. The hospital like says that they have some, but they said just bring some of your own just in case, because you go through heaps. So I'm just packing some just in case. Then I've got a pack of wipes as well. Then I'm bringing a baby blanket. A muslin wrap. Then I've just got a little dummy in here. I do not want to have a dummy baby, but just in case I need it, I want to have one on me. And a little hairbrush comb thing, because I don't know, just in case he's got heaps of hair and I need to brush it. What else? I think that's it I'm bringing for him. Like I said, we don't live far from the hospital, so if I do need more things, then we can always like send someone home to grab something. But yeah, so that is what I'm taking to the hospital for my son. Oh. So we are pretty much packed and ready to go. Apart from the other things that I have to add that I mentioned in the video. Also, the other thing I was trying to remember to put in my suitcase was a bath towel. Heaps of people have recommended to take your own towel because the hospital ones are like smaller towels and they're white. And, you know, after birth and stuff, you don't really want to be using a white towel with all of your stuff going on. It's what I've been told anyways, so I have to put in a bath towel. But yeah, once I've added in my snacks and those other extras, I will be all ready. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if there's anything I've forgotten, or anything you really recommend that you need to take to the hospital. Other than that, yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.